What's going on? All right, so had a bunch of people like in my mastermind and stuff. We had a health panel at our last Legacy Summit down in Puerto Rico. And we had some people asking about like, what should I feed my kids and healthy stuff, right? So from the panel, my buddy Ben Azadi was up there talking about, oils and the cooking oils that people process foods with and how humans are smart enough to make their own food and dumb enough to actually eat it and that kind of stuff, right? So Ben Azadi is somebody that I've paid and consulted with since like 2018, right? Yeah, wow. And has helped us just kind of, put healthier stuff in the kitchen cabinets versus the crazy shit that we were probably raised eating and drinking. Although we came out okay. I'm a little bit off the rails, but I'm pretty much on point. But just trying to feed the kids a little bit healthier stuff. And then my personal trainer, actually Kate's personal trainer, it was Kate's personal trainer first, then my personal trainer, Gunnar Moldrick was on there as well, talking about healthy things to eat. And actually Taylor Pereira, our good friend, was on there too. So we had this awesome health panel talking about all the things that we should be feeding our kids and feeding ourselves, and had some inquiries, I guess, on what do we feed our kids. And we have an 8-year-old, an almost 6-year-old, and a 6-month-old. Yep. And so figured pull out a couple of the healthy snacks that the kids have.
Not prepared for this.
No, we won't.
Ignore that.
So it's kitchen. This is an ad lib social media post. So nothing's organized. The kitchen's a friggin' mess. We're heading up to Ohio for the next 3 months over the summer, and so it just shit's everywhere. So just roll with it. All right. So here's essentially what our kids eat. So first of all, here's what they drink. They either drink water, milk, or these fruit punch.
They're water. They're flavored with like a little bit of juice. So
flavored with juice, no sugar added. It's supposed to be healthy stuff. So this is what we give them from a drink standpoint.
Yeah. Let's see all this other junk.
What else we got, Kate?
We tried.
Keep the Pringles in there. Oh wait, these are the healthy Pringles.
Well, yeah, quote unquote.
We have
healthier
Pringles. The Good Crisp Company. There, these are chickpea like cheesy puffs. They're actually they're vegan. They're really really good and healthier.
Healthier. Right? These are healthier oiled popcorn, coconut oil, and veggie sticks with the coconut oil. So non-inflammatory oils.
So if you connect with Ben Azadi, he's big on. There's only a handful of oils that you should be consuming. Oils create a lot of inflammation in the body, and it's actually better to smoke a cigarette, or I think a pack of cigarettes is what he says, per day, than it is to eat processed vegetable and cooking oils. The only oils that you should be eating are essentially grass-fed butter, ghee, olive oil, and coconut oil, and avocado oil. Those are like the main 5. And so we try to buy stuff that doesn't have. Here's the thing: it's really friggin' hard.
Do the best.
Yeah, but we do the best we can, right? So it's like we do as good as we can without being overly psycho about it. And so these are veggie sticks cooked with coconut oil. This popcorn's actually ridiculously good.
Cheesy kind.
Lesser evil.
Yeah.
I like the Himalayan Gold. It's like a buttery flavor. It's insane. Our daughter eats the hell out of this.
Like organic options always.
Yeah, all Annie's stuff is pretty good.
Stuff. And then this was a new find. They're called Goodles.
Goodles. They're good noodles.
Yeah, they have protein chickpea noodles in there, and the kids love these actually. So a new option for mac and cheese.
Yeah, and they're like it tastes like regular noodles and actual cheese.
And they have like veggies in them.
But it's made out of vegetables, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, these things are made. Yeah, look at this. They got freaking cranberry in here, sweet potato, sunflower seeds, kale, spinach, broccoli, shiitake mushrooms. Is that pronounced? Is that yeah? A cheddar cheese blend.
They love these too.
Yeah, these little pouches filled with a bunch of fruits and veggies.
Those came from Thrive Market, which is a great online shopping
some other ones
area for healthier food. If you don't have like a Whole Foods near you and stuff like that.
Yeah, Noka.
What else do you want to look at, buddy?
Noka. These things are good.
Yeah.
These are like little peanut butter bites.
Yeah.
peanut butter and jelly bites.
Made of dates.
They're made of dates, sweet nothings. They got good calories in them. No added sugar. None of the other stuff, and they're delicious.
What else? Oh.
You show them these granola things?
Oh yeah, the kids like these made good. They're
Chocolate chip granola.
they still have sugar and stuff, but
Yeah, and they got some of the bad oils, but
a little
good enough.
fruit by the foot, healthier version. Fruit rolls. A great Costco find. What else do you want?
Oh, pipcorn.
Yeah, again, healthier version.
That's one of the healthier things, right? It's decent.
Yeah.
All right, hide that one. Put that one back in. And then as far as like, these things. These are good.
My favorite, siete. Again, cooked in a non-inflammatory oil.
Siete. These are really, really, really good and healthier, I guess. Made with avocado oil.
Yeah.
Like legitimately, the key to just buying this stuff is whatever's got the least amount of ingredients in it, the healthier it is. It's pretty much the case. Here's a snack that Kate eats all the time. These things are really, 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 really good too.
Yeah. I do
Energy
one square every morning. I don't know, before coffee. Heard you're not supposed to drink coffee in an empty stomach.
And then these things are badass, especially when dipped in Nutella.
Or Cocoa Whip.
Edit the Nutella out. Edit the Nutella
The
out.
Cocoa Whip's a healthy option,
There you
though.
go.
To dunk it
Cocoa
in.
Whip. But these things are really good. This is my sweet treat. What else?
Healthier options. I mean, so the kids will do these too for like cereal.
Versions of the good cereal from back in the day, but healthier versions of it.
Protein pancakes.
Oh damn, these are good. These have a bunch of superfoods in them, and they're really, really good. They're really, really fluffy, delicious pancakes. That's the protein I use too.
Add a little vanilla and cinnamon to those.
Or you could even add protein powder, chocolate protein powder, and make chocolate pancakes with them too. So, anyways, that's a couple of the food and snack hacks that we use in our household after spending the past 5-6 years hiring nutritionists and personal trainers and all these people to help give us better indications and better direction on what we should feed ourselves and what we should feed our kids. So hopefully that gives you a couple ideas and a couple of hacks on things that you can order for your family.
Let's do let's do a quick thing where you guys talk about sort of like how your kids respond when they go out to eat. Like, are what you're putting in place here, are they aware? Do you think that they're aware of it, or is it just like what's in the...
It was on Penelope's New Year's resolution. She only had 4 things. And one of those 4 things was to eat healthier.
Okay. So she's got a sense that like these aren't Cheetos and Pringles.
Well, I don't think they actually know. Like our brother-in-law came in here once, and they were like, and my sister, they're like, you don't have any like name brand food. Like nothing in the house is most like name brand. It's because
not the stuff that you would see at like at a grocery store or a convenience store, right? So you'd have to like
we have a different version of most things. I mean, when they go to birthday parties, when they go to restaurants, you eat and they eat, and it is what it is. The kids discovered Doritos at a friend's house, so they ate the Doritos at the friend's house, but we don't purposely keep that in our house. So, it's just kind of balance.
But we talk about it a lot, right? Like they love, like all kids love bread and cheese in any format, in any fashion, right? Like kids just, quesadilla, sign me up, right? Buttered noodles, macaroni and cheese, grilled cheese, like anything that's bread and cheese, our kids eat. And that's what they always go towards. And so they know they can have that if they pair it up with fruits and veggies and
avocado, edamame.
Yeah, so we find the fruits and veggies that they like and that they will eat, and we just serve that to them. So Penelope has certain fruits that she likes. Hudson's pretty game on for all fruits. Neither of them love a lot of vegetables, but they
do
both
okay.
like carrots.
Yeah.
You know, they both love olives. They both love
Penelope discovered she likes cauliflower dipped in pesto because they tried it at school.
Yeah, and that's the other. I think that's another hack is find something that they'll dip it into.
Yeah, hummus, pesto,
tzatziki. They like soy sauce,
Yeah.
and so if there's a fruit or vegetable that they don't like, we usually will pair it up with some sort of a dunking sauce to help, mask the flavor for them, and then they eat it.
Yeah.
You guys are planting the seeds for them. Do you notice a harvest yet at all? Do you notice a difference in the way they?
Penelope is more interested in making food. Like she wants to make fruit salad for us. Or she made herself a salad one night. It was spinach, prosciutto, cheese, and then she oversalted it. I don't know why she added salt in general, but whatever. But that was her thing. She was like, I'm going to make a salad. And she just randomly made a salad. So, I mean, I think in little
Yeah.
bits here and there.
Yeah. I think they're definitely, I think the best thing that you can do is live by example, right? And so they see Kate eating a salad, or they see me ordering a chicken sandwich with vegetables on the side instead of French fries on the side, And so I think just doing that thing, leading by example, eventually, at the end of the day, dude, they're kids.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, they're going to like what they like, and their palate will change. And I think it's our job as parents to just expose them to as many different fruits and vegetables and the healthy things, and explain why those fruits and vegetables are healthy, and better options. And then, let that continuously grow as a muscle that they exercise over time, and hopefully they make good decisions when they're older.
Penelope makes me laugh too now that she can. I mean, they both can read. And Pip looked at these crackers the other day, and she's like, "These have hidden veggies in them." I was like, "Oh shoot, you can read and you understand."
But she's like, "Oh, they're still
Yeah,
good."
but she likes them, so it doesn't matter. She's catching on.
All right, and so here's some of the vitamins that we get for our kiddos. There's still sugar in them, but they're no dye. And
They have some
this one's a multivitamin, and this one's probiotic.
And then we do got all the things.
So this is made by Ali.
And then the other one, Mary Ruth's. Magnesium, they both get.
What does magnesium do?
So this one was more specific for Hudson, because he'd get terrible growing pains in his legs and some other stuff. So it's supposed to help relax and calm them, and most people are deficient in magnesium. So Penelope gets it once a day. He gets it twice a day.
And is this a bedtime magnesium?
He gets one in the morning and one at night. It says calm, but it doesn't really,
Not our kids.
It's not
Doesn't
to,
calm
like,
them down that much.
put them to sleep. A probiotic for them. It tastes like nothing. I put it in Penelope's water because Hudson usually takes this one that already has it in there. Zinc, vitamin D, and some vitamin C, trying to keep everybody strong and healthy. This one they do first because it has a little bit of an olive oil taste. Then they go to this strawberry lemonade, and they finish with the orange cream because it's their favorite.
And then they get this how often?
Every day.
Every day.
And then Hudson gets this one twice a day.
In the morning or in the evening or what?
This is whenever I can remember. I put this in Penelope's water bottle for school. There's no flavor, so she just drinks it down. So those
That's
are
good.
vitamins.
Do you find that it takes? You guys are kind of in the flow of it, but when you started, was it like, dropping stuff in water? Was it? You're doing it for your kids, so I'm assuming that you.
So this one, because it's unflavored, I had no issues with just putting it in her water, not even telling her, honestly. She never said anything back to me, so it wasn't a big deal. Penelope will do these all herself. She'll come over, she'll spray, she'll squirt, she takes care of it herself. I do them for Hudson.
But they remind us now.
Yeah.
Hey,
I need my vitamins.
I didn't get my vitamins yet. Oh, I can't brush my teeth yet because I need to do my vitamins first, and then I need to brush my teeth.
Yeah.
So it's part of the daily routine. It's like potty, teeth, PJs, and vitamins, right? Like that's what we do before bed.
Yeah. And again, could there be a better option of this? Probably, but
Maybe.
My kids are taking it, so I'm gonna. Yeah, could I get a capsule? I've tried that for Hudson. Tried it a couple different things, capsules. Put it in grape juice or whatever, and it's horrible. It's horrible. You won't eat it. So what's either get it in him or not. So,
Yeah.
but this one I like Mary Ruth's a lot.
So, hey, so if this is helpful, I'd love to hear some of your insights as well. Hopefully, this helps you with implementing some things in your life and in your family's home and healthier options for you and your kids. And I'd love to hear back if you've got some other things that your kids have really honed in on, especially like the cheese and the bread stuff, right? That's our biggest battle with our kids, that they want that every single day, and we try to fill in all the other stuff with it. But yeah, anything that you might have that's worked really, really good for your family and is healthy, dye-free, doesn't have all those bad oils and stuff in it, we'd love to hear it in the comments section. So appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe. If there's anything else that we can help you out with, don't hesitate to ask. That one gets 2.
Look at me.
High fives. Give me a big smile.